Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, natural gas and LNG, this week's main drivers and the look ahead. And in our image today, we've got from EIA, the natural gas storage report showing an injection of plus 32 BCF. This week's main drivers, the EIA reported a plus 32 BCF storage injection, slightly tighter than expectations, around plus 35 BCF and above both last year plus 27 and the 5-year average plus 30 BCF. The report was largely neutral, but reinforced a tightening supply-demand balance. Geopolitics dominated headlines as Qatar extended force majeure on LNG exports into mid-October. An LNG vessel was struck by a projectile in the Strait of Hormuz, wonder who did that, and the Iran conflict intensified. With roughly 20% of global LNG trade transiting Hormuz, risk premiums continue to build. EQT raised its 2026 production outlook while advancing the Mountain Valley Pipeline Southgate project. Freeport LNG entered planned maintenance through late August, temporarily reducing feed gas demand. Meanwhile, Chronometer Partners highlighted a potential surge in U.S. natural gas demand beginning in 2028, reinforcing the long-term structural demand story. PJM also experienced severe voltage instability on July 23rd after approximately 3 gigawatts of data center load unexpectedly dropped offline, underscoring the growing challenges of balancing an increasingly electrified grid. The look ahead. Attention now shifts to weather and global LNG markets. Heat is expected to intensify across the U.S. Southeast, increasing power demand, while France could see another significant heat wave in early August. JKM and TTF prices continue climbing as the Iran conflict expands. Spot LNG cargoes are increasingly flowing toward Asia, leaving Europe struggling to rebuild inventories. EU gas storage remains the second lowest level in the past 15 years for this point in the injection season, while Houthi attacks on Saudi shipping further elevate supply risks. North American fundamentals continue to strengthen. Enbridge has begun construction on its Sunrise expansion project. Canadian LNG feed gas demand is increasing ahead of new export capacity, and long-term demand growth from LNG exports, AI data centers, and power generation continues to build. The big question, has U.S. natural gas finally begun the transition from a weather-driven market to one supported by structural demand growth? And is the next rally into winter already underway? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.